OTJ. OTJ, the Jeep. I like those Jeeps. Go. The whole crew's here. And Dominic.
All right.
Everybody but Danny. We miss Danny.
Yeah, Danny.
No Danny.
Yeah, Danny is coming tomorrow.
We hope Danny will be here tomorrow. Yes, yes. We miss Danny. Holy hotness. Sunny. Say good morning.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning.
God,
good
you
morning,
guys.
Good morning.
Wake up to a pile of that. Yeah, you know where we're at. APO Market. On this lovely sunny day. I'm whiter than the whitest men in the Philippines here because I haven't been out in the sun lately. Look at the sack on that guy. See the sack on that dog? That was cray cray, babe.
I didn't see.
It's alright, you didn't miss anything special. Cray cray. It's so cray cray. That looks like an Edgar and Jeannie Cruz shirt you have there.
Yeah.
Yeah? Hey. I like it.
I told you to wear the same
I
shirt.
like it, I like it, I like it. I like it. We're good, thank you.
You have the same shirt as me?
Yes, I do. Yes.
I like it.
It's a lovely, comfortable.
Yes.
Holy, busy. Gifts. We need gifts. We need some gifts. What are your parents? Yeah. Look at this place. This is shoes everywhere. You get a bag of Crocs, little baby Crocs. I love it. Hello, how are you?
You know what, babe? It's good to go here in Christmas. You know why?
Right.
Super crowded.
Yeah. Cheap, it's inexpensive.
Yes.
Better deals. Yeah. They're all sanded.
100.
Yeah. Bus loads of shoes. Look at this. Look at the colors. Yeah. What do you dye your birds? Put them in the color bath. Stinky. Yeah.
You want to buy a snack?
Yeah, we should get some kind of snack. The day is drawing near, you guys. The big grand opening again is this Friday. Are these the girls' dads? Are these the girls? No, these are just. Okay, guys, don't get your hopes up, or we don't want to let you down. They are gonna have some beautiful women here, so you'll have to come check it out. But don't think you're gonna find one of these in there. Good morning. Good morning. Why are we hiding, girls? Look at this. Ooh, it smells like fresh paint. Ah, you can see where the old wall was. Ching, 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 ching. Wall. They took out some walls in here. This is Anne's old office. Yeah. Not sure what's going on here. Or maybe it's for the girls. I hope it's for the girls, so they have somewhere to hide and change and just come up and down in the lounge down there. Swinging through. Check up. Anne's day off. Again, she's had a few this week. It's great. Yeah. New project, new concept, new team. Meiko's Gentlemen's Club, everyone. Meiko's Gentlemen's Club. Welcome to MGC. So a quick little menu. Menu item. Again, we've seen this sign before. They're hiring all these different positions. You saw the signs out here. It's happening. It's happening soon, everybody. All right, ready? Yeah. Good afternoon, everybody. We are here at the Brass Knob. We're playing pool league, as you can see. We started out really strong. We started out with 6 wins in a row. I'll show you the board here when I get back inside. We are playing at the Brass Knob, which is an old hotel and restaurant. Looks like they got rooms up there. Yes, it's going good. We've gotten a lot better in our pool league skills, you guys. Ooh, they got fish in here. I don't remember seeing these guys. Look at you guys. Hey. Cool little restaurant area. Looks like a little videoke machine, air conditioners, some good seating. And then this is where the action happens back here. I like this pool table area. It's pretty wide open. I like the seating on the wall. Very comfortable to watch. Sit back with your drinks. I want to sit down here for a minute. Okay. This is comfy. And you got the fan right here.
Yeah.
You guys can probably hear the wind when it comes around. Oh, is that what it is? Some of these bars get really goddamn hot. Outside it's like 95 degrees today too, so it's good to come inside and cool off, play a little pool, have a cocktail. Every table here in Angeles City is a little bit different. Like this table's slower than what we're used to at Meiko's. The rails are real soft too, so they don't have the bounce back like the other tables that we play on do. So you have to adjust your game to every table, every bar. good shooting. That's good shooting. He didn't make a ball in. Good shooting, good shooting. That's her food, guys. Yeah.
Nice. Nice. Oh. Ah.
Hi, shout out to Stan from South Carolina. Shout out to Thomas from Florida. Shout out to Roman Ari from Austin, Texas. Shout out to Jay Rent. Shout out to Matt. Thank you for watching, Sportsman. And
Shout out to Carlos.
Carlos! You got a shout out, Carlos?
Oh, thanks.
Do you want to be on video?
Yeah.
Look at Cutie. Look at these two. Look at these two friends now. Hey guys. Look at your butt. We got wet seed butt rings. Hey, it looks funny. Looks funny. You got little white spots. On your butt. You just wanted me to touch your butt. Touch your butt.
Hey.
Mm-hmm.